Welcome. Let's learn the 100 most common English verbs for A1 level while listening to the peaceful sounds of the Australian forest. You can use this video for simple shadowing practice or for listening practice while you sleep. Relax with the gentle nature sounds as you learn Australian English vocabulary in a calm and easy way. Let's begin. Add. Add. I add sugar to my coffee. I add sugar to my coffee. Answer. Answer. Can you answer the question? Can you answer the question? Ask. Ask. Ask the waiter for more water. Ask the waiter for more water. Be. Be. I want to be happy. I want to be happy. Become. Become. She wants to become a doctor. She wants to become a doctor. Begin. Begin. The class begins at 9 o'clock. The class begins at 9 o'clock. Believe. Believe. I believe you. I believe you. Break. Break. The glass might break. The glass might break. Bring. Bring. Bring your bag to school tomorrow. Bring your bag to school tomorrow. Build. Build. They will build houses on this street. They will build houses on this street. Buy. Buy. I need to buy some bread. I need to buy some bread. Call. Call. Call me when you get home. Call me when you get home. Can. Can. I can swim very fast. I can swim very fast. Change. Change. You can change trains here. You can change trains here. Clean. Clean. I need to clean the kitchen. I need to clean the kitchen. Close. Close. Please close the window. Please close the window. Come. Come. Come to my house for lunch. Come to my house for lunch. Cook. Cook. Let's cook dinner. Let's cook dinner. Cut. Cut. Cut the carrots carefully. Cut the carrots carefully. dance, dance. I like to dance. I like to dance. Draw, draw. Draw a picture of your favorite animal. Draw a picture of your favorite animal. Drink, drink. Drink some water. Drink some water. Drive, drive. He drives to work every day. He drives to work every day. Eat, eat. Eat your lunch. Eat your lunch. Enjoy, enjoy. Enjoy the movie. Enjoy the movie. Explain, explain. Can you please explain this again? Could you please explain this again? Fall, fall. Be careful not to fall on the stairs. Be careful not to fall on the stairs. Feel, feel. I feel very cold. I feel very cold. Find, find. Can you find your seat? Can you find your seat? Finish, finish. Did you finish your homework? Did you finish your homework? Follow, follow. Follow the signs to the station's exit. Follow the signs to the station's exit. Forget, forget. Don't forget your bag. Don't forget your bag. Get, get. Get on the bus. Get on the bus. Give, give. Give me the key. Give me the key. Go, go. I will go to school. I will go to school. Grow, grow. Lots of flowers grow in this garden. Lots of flowers grow in this garden. Happen, happen. What will happen today? What will happen today? Have, have. I have a meeting later. I have a meeting later. Here, here. I hear birds outside. I hear birds outside. Help, help. Can you help me carry the bags? Can you help me carry the bags? Hope, hope. I hope it's sunny tomorrow. I hope it's sunny tomorrow. Invite, invite. Invite your friend over. Invite your friend over. Jump. Jump. Jump over the rope. Jump over the rope. Keep. Keep. Keep the door open. Keep the door open. No. No. I know the answer. I know the answer. Learn. Learn. I learn English every day. I learn English every day. Leave. Leave. Please leave the room quietly. Please leave the room quietly. Like. Like. I like to drink coffee in the morning. I like to drink coffee in the morning. Listen. Listen. I listen to lots of music. I listen to lots of music. Live. Live. I live in a small house. I live in a small house. Look. Look. Look at the pictures on the wall. Look at the pictures on the wall. Lose. Lose. Did you lose your phone? Did you lose your phone? Love. Love. I love spending time with my friends. I love spending time with my friends. Make. Make. I will make a salad for lunch. I will make a salad for lunch. Mean. Mean. What does this word mean? What does this word mean? Meet. Meet. Let's meet at the cafe tomorrow. Let's meet at the cafe tomorrow. Need. Need. I need help with my homework. I need help with my homework. Open. Open. Please open the door to the car. Please open the door to the car. Pay. Pay. You can pay at the counter. You can pay at the counter. Play. Play. I play an instrument. I play an instrument. Put. Put. Put your bag underneath the table. Put your bag underneath the table. Read. Read. I want to read this book. I want to read this book. Remember. Remember. Remember to bring a notebook. Remember to bring a notebook. Run. Run. I run in the park each morning. I run in the park each morning. Say. Say. Can you please say that again? Can you please say that again? See. See. I see a bird in that tree. I see a bird in that tree. Sell. Sell. They sell fruit at the market. They sell fruit at the market. Send. Send. Send me a message tomorrow. Send me a message tomorrow. Show. Show. Can you show me the way? Can you show me the way? Sing. Sing. I like to sing in the car. I like to sing in the car. Sit. Sit. You can sit anywhere. You can sit anywhere. Sleep. Sleep. I sleep 8 hours every night. I sleep 8 hours every night. Smile. Smile. That memory made me smile. That memory made me smile. Speak. Speak. Can you speak slowly, please? Can you speak slowly, please? Spend. Spend. I will spend time with my family. I will spend time with my family. Stand. Stand. Stand near the door. Stand near the door. Start. Start. Start the car. Start the car. Stay. Stay. Stay at home if you feel sick. Stay at home if you feel sick. Stop. Stop. Stop at the red light. Stop at the red light. Study. Study. I study English for 1 hour every day. I study English for 1 hour every day. Swim. Swim. Let's swim in the pool this afternoon. Let's swim in the pool this afternoon. Take. Take. Can you take a photo of me? Can you take a photo of me? Talk. Talk. Talk to your sister about the homework. Talk to your sister about the homework. Teach. Teach. She will teach English. She will teach English. Tell. Tell. Tell me a story about your holiday. Tell me a story about your holiday. Think. Think. I think it is going to rain. I think it's going to rain. Travel. Travel. I will travel to Sydney by car. I will travel to Sydney by car. Try. Try. I try to speak English every day. I try to speak English every day. Turn. Turn. Turn left at the next corner. Turn left at the next corner. Understand. Understand. I understand your question. I understand your question. Use. Use. Use this pen to write your name. Use this pen to write your name. Wait. Wait. Wait for me outside the store. Wait for me outside the store. Walk. Walk. Let's walk home together. Let's walk home together. Want. Want. I want to eat ice cream. I want to eat ice cream. Watch. Watch. Tonight I will watch TV. Tonight I will watch TV. Wear. Wear. You should wear your new jacket. You should wear your new jacket. Win. Win. I want to win the game. I want to win the game. Work. Work. I work in a cafe on the weekend. I work in a cafe on the weekend. Worry. Worry. Don't worry about the rain tomorrow. Don't worry about the rain tomorrow. Write. Write. Write your name at the top of the page. Write your name at the top of the page. Thank you for spending time here in the Australian forest. Please subscribe to learn more English in Australian nature.